Hello guys, I am Sunil and this is MS Classes. So guys, today I am here to teach you coordinate geometry. Right? So आज हम क्या पढ़ने जा रहे हैं? Coordinate geometry. So before coordinate geometry we will discuss about the number line. तो हम किसके बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे? नंबर लाइन के बारे में. हम सब जानते हैं कि नंबर लाइन क्या होती है. वी नो अबाउट द नंबर लाइन. द नंबर लाइन हैविंग ऑल द रियल नंबर्स ऑन इट. राइट. So number line is what? A line on both sides and at the center it has a number that is 0, and to right side of this 0 all number will be positive. 0 से right side सारे number plus के होंगे. At equidistant the numbers will be positive. So +1, +2, +3, +4 and so on, and we call this OX. And to left side all numbers will be negative, और ये सारी नंबर इक्वल डिस्टेंस में होंगे. नंबर -1, -2, -3 and so on. So this is X dash. So guys, this is the number line. Here we have more number 0 and 1. Between 0 and 1 this is 1/2. Right. So every type of number on the number line. तो इस नंबर लाइन पे हर एक प्रकार के नंबर हैं. Right. So guys, now we will discuss about the coordinate geometry. So in coordinate geometry we have a Cartesian plane. So what is a Cartesian plane? When two mutually perpendicular lines intersect at a point, that point called origin and represented by O. This is O and represented by 0. The coordinate of O are 0, 0. And similarly, and as X dash OX we have another line. This line is Y dash, and again this number line have to the top side every number at equidistance, and these number will be positive. So this is +1, +2, +3, +4 and so on. In the middle intersecting point this is 0, and to the bottom side at equidistant all numbers are negative. So -1, -2, -3 toward y dash. So this is a Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane have two mutually perpendicular line intersect at a origin, and coordinate of origin are 0, 0. So now this Cartesian plane have how many quadrant? So quadrants, how many quadrants? These it have 4 quadrants. So when we goes anti-clockwise, so we see this is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, this one is third quadrant, and this is a fourth quadrant. So how many quadrants we have? 4 quadrant. कितने quadrant है? 4. Number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we see in first quadrant all the points will be positive. So coordinates in the first quadrant are positive. Right. The coordinate of first quadrant will be positive, and in second quadrant we see the value of X is negative and value of Y is positive. So in second quadrant the coordinates are value of X is negative and value of Y is positive. In third we see value of X is negative and value of Y also be negative. So both coordinate will negative. Right. So both the value of coordinates are negative. And in fourth quadrant we see the value of X is plus and value of Y will minus. So this coordinate have different sign. This is plus and minus. So here we have 4 coordinates in the Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. In first quadrant we have all the value of coordinates will be positive. In second quadrant the value of coordinate is negative positive. In third quadrant value of coordinates will negative. In fourth quadrant value of a coordinate is positive comma negative. So value of first is x and second one is y, right? So this is the quadrants. So we have 4 quadrants here. So here O is origin and coordinate of origin are 0 0, and we call x is abscissa and this is x coordinate. So x coordinate will be abscissa and y coordinate is ordinate. We call y coordinate is a ordinate. Right, so y coordinate is ordinate and x coordinate is abscissa and origin will be O. So now we will take one question from your exercise. You have to locate the points on the Cartesian plane. So now we will discuss this question. In which quadrant so this is your chapter number 3rd. Your question: in which quadrant or on which axis or on which axis the points -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2 lie. So guys you have to find, आपको क्या फाइंड करना है कि ये पॉइंट कार्टेशियन प्लेन में किस क्वाड्रेंट में लाई करते हैं, राइट? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल you have to draw a Cartesian plane. The Cartesian plane is two mutually perpendicular lines intersect a point 0, this is O, and 0. To the left side this is minus x or x dash, to right side this is x, and this is y to the top, and to the bottom this is y dash. When we start from 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all will positive, and to left side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all points are at equidistant, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. To the top side all points will be positive, so this is +1, +2, +3, +4, +5, and to the bottom all points will be negative, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and at the center this is 0. So this is the Cartesian plane. Now guys हमें क्या करना है, we have to locate these all points on the Cartesian plane. So your first point, this is minus 2 comma 4. So you know the value of x is minus 2. So this is x side and this is minus 2. And value of y is positive. So this is plus. So we have to draw a perpendicular at minus 2 toward positive y. So this is, you have to draw a perpendicular and parallel to y axis. And now we draw a perpendicular at 4. This is value of y, where both perpendicular intersect. This is your point A, and the coordinate of A are minus 2 comma 4. So this is the A point, right? Now second point is 3 comma minus 1. So value of x is plus 3 and value of y is minus 1. So this is minus 1. Now you have to draw a perpendicular at 3 toward negative y, and also draw a perpendicular at minus 1 toward 3, where both perpendicular intersect. This is point B, and coordinate of B is 3 comma minus 1, right? This is 3 comma minus 1. Now third point is C. The value of x is minus 1. So you see the value of x is minus 1 is here, and value of y is 0. So this is itself. This is C, and the coordinate of C are minus 1 comma 0. So this point itself is C, and the coordinate of this point is minus 1 comma 0. Now your next point is 1 comma 2. So this is value of x, this one is plus 1, and value of y is plus 2, this is plus 2. So when we draw a perpendicular at plus 1 and plus 2, it is point D, and the coordinate of D are 1 comma 2, right? So this is 1 comma 2. Let us take one more point. This is minus 3 comma minus 5. Minus 3 comma minus 5. This is the value of minus 3 is at x. So this is minus 3 x, and value of y is minus 5. This is here minus 5. So both perpendicular in third quadrant. So this is minus 3 and this is minus 5. So when both point intersect, or both perpendicular intersect at that point, is a point E, and the coordinate of E are minus 3 comma minus 5. So guys, your first coordinate is abscissa and second is a ordinate, right? So this is x, value of x is minus 3 and value of y is minus 5. Now you have to find out in which quadrant these points lie. So we see minus 2 comma 4, this is here A, and this lies in a second quadrant. Now you see this is first quadrant, this is second, this one is third, and this is fourth quadrant. When you goes anti-clockwise, you find the quadrant. This is first, right? So minus 2 comma 4, this is in second quadrant, and 3 comma minus 1, this is here 3 comma minus 1. So x is 3, this is 3 comma minus 1, this is in fourth quadrant. Minus 1 comma 0, this is minus 1 comma 0, this is on x axis, and then 1 comma 2, this 1 comma 2, this is in first quadrant, and then minus 3 comma minus 5, and this one is in third quadrant, right? So guys, you have to represent all points on the Cartesian plane. So this is your question and this is your topic. I hope you have been understand the topic and try to solve same type of question at your home on the graph paper, right? You have to write the question and you see how many points are there and what is the maximum value of x and maximum value of y. According to that, you have to plot mutually perpendicular lines, and these lines are Cartesian plane or coordinate plane. After that, you have to draw the perpendicular at value of x and y where both perpendicular intersect, that is the coordinate, right? So guys, I hope you solve the related question on your notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.